Welcome to today's video, and boy is this going to be an interesting one for many of you because we're using AI, but also we're going to revisit a website that we've not spoken about for probably about 2 years ago. So I was literally going through the website here. You can see these articles go back to 2017, and I was just going through and making some edits to some of the different articles, and then I stumbled across this website over here included in one of my articles. Now, the website is this one over here, and it's called Listfest. Now, basically, over on this website, you can submit a list, and here's the cool thing: they will pay you $100. I'll show you this really quickly, okay? So to find this page, by the way, we just come over to listfest.com. We'll come over to where it says more, and we click on write and get paid. And I've gone through all of the rules on here and double checked this so to make sure what I am telling you is correct. But we can see on here, look. How it works is, look, the rules are pretty simple. As long as your list, and we do mean yours, don't steal other people's stuff, is one or two paragraphs about an item, just scroll down here, look. They will pay you $100. It's as simple as that. $100 to go ahead and submit a list down here. And again, I don't know why I went over here because it says here, look, we will pay $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have an English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humour, and a love for things unusual or interesting. Pretty straightforward, okay? Now, I'll literally link this down below. You can go ahead and have a look at this. But here's the cool thing about this, okay? If I come back over on this website, we can see they've got top 10 lists in all of these different categories. In bizarre, in entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, and society, okay? And you can go into any one of these and click on them and start to get some ideas. But here's the cool thing: because in this modern world whereby everyone's lazy and wants everything doing for them really fast and really quickly, guess what? Are we going to sit down and type out top 10 lists? No, of course we're not. We're going to use AI, and I'll share with you some examples of that in a second because it was surprisingly very good, okay? But let's just go into any one of these, okay? So let me find one. Top 10 mine. Let's just click on this. What is this? Technology top 10 mind-bending. Oh, let's go. Let's have a look at that one. Top 20 best gangster. I mean, I can't believe that's a list, but basically, someone has been paid $100 for this. Scroll down here, look, and they've literally just gone ahead and listed all of these films. So someone's doing this. But anyway, the short version of this is, let me come over here. The short version of this is you can go ahead and create a top 10 list over on this website. You can submit this, and if they approve it, as we saw a second ago, you will get paid $100 for your efforts. So then I started thinking, how can we speed this up? Because when I looked at these articles back over in 2017, the method was you'd go over to the website, find something that you're interested in and create the content yourself. Fast forward to today with AI, let me share with you an example. So over here, and for this, I am using this website over here. It's Jasper. Again, you can try this for free. I will link this down below for you. Now on here, you can see, look, this is what I've just put. I am wanting to submit a top 10 list to the website. You can see here, Listfest. Could you give me some ideas for a top 10 list? And then the AI, literally within seconds, has gone, here are some ideas. And it's given me all of these top ideas down here. And it says here, look, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Good luck with your submission. So that's pretty cool. So I've got all of these on here. So let's just say if I wanted to go with one of these lists and submit this list, I wanted to say, let's just go with this one over here. The world's most bizarre and unusual festivals. So I'm just going to say, thanks. Please, could you expand on this? I'll do this and paste that in there, okay? And I'm going to hit on enter. And now look, here we go. The AI is kicking off and writing this list for me, which is pretty awesome, and it's unreal. So it's just going to continue doing this for me and working away in the background. Now, if we go back over here to, let's just go with this one over here. I'll click on this one. What's this? 10 shocking facts about London life and world wars. Well, you can see on all of these, they've all got an introduction as well on here, and then it goes into the top 10. Okay, and you might be looking at this thinking, oh, well, there's a video on here, they've got images in here. You don't need to worry about that because if you scroll down here, look, pictures and videos, when you send in your list, you do not need to include them because their team of editors do a great job and they'll basically go ahead and find the information for you. So all we're doing is we're submitting a list. So let's come back up here and let's just see we're up to. Okay, so there it's given me the top 10. Now, if I wanted to expand upon all this, I would just say, can you expand upon this? But here, I need an introduction to this, or a paragraph. So I'm going to say, thanks, please, can you write an introduction for this? And it's going to come back. And there we go, look, it's just doing this for me. It's just crazy. It's truly crazy what this AI can do nowadays. So up here, we've gone ahead. So we've got a top 10 list. So we've come scroll down here. So this over here would be our top 10 list. Okay. Where's it gone? Can you write an introduction? Oh, sorry. Let me scroll back up here. So this over here would be the world's most bizarre and unusual festivals. We've got 10 items down here. We've also got an introduction here. So this would be our introduction down here like so. We've then got our 10 points. And then if I scroll down to the bottom of this, I have no doubt there'll be an outro on this. So if I come further down the page down here, we can see, has it got an outro on this? Not really. So we could come back over here and scroll down and say, thank you. Could you give me a closing paragraph? Like so. And there we go. And it's going ahead and writing all this for us. And when you look at the content over here, especially inside of Jasper, you can see on here, look, there's the outro to this. So whether what's it say? Whether it's throwing tomatoes at each other or running from bulls in the streets, these unusual festivals are a testament to the human desire of fun, adventure, and celebration. I mean, the output on here is far superior and far better than ChatGPT and Bard and many other ones, in my opinion. And that is because I've used ChatGPT, I've used Bard, I've used Sonic Copywriter, Closer Copy, lots of these AI tools, but this is the one I use, and I also recommend it. But this is the whole method. Now, to get this software, by the way, I'll show you this again. I'll link it down below for you. I'm going to go over here and type in Jasper. So you can see this because you can try it out for free. I mean, literally, you can sign up for free and start submitting some of these lists. So when you go to that link, you can see, look, your friend gave you a 7-day free trial to Jasper. So go ahead, get the free trial and just start playing around with this and using it to start writing these lists over here. But as you've seen, this is just one method that we can use our AI to start making money with. I've covered a number of other methods probably in the last couple of weeks for this. But Listfest, I completely forgot about this website. So I'm probably going to go back through a lot of these older posts and see if there's any more hidden gems whereby we can do more videos on them. Because you can see on here, we've got a lot of articles and a lot of different methods and resources for making money online and from home. So yeah, that's today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.